How to connect earbuds to an Android phone or tablet. The idea of pairing earbuds with an Android phone may sound like crossing enemy lines, but this seemingly incompatible pairing is possible thanks to Bluetooth, a common technology utilized by Apple and Android devices. Now follow these steps. Open the AirPods case lid with the earbuds well seated inside. Now hold down the setup button at the back of the earbuds case until you see the LED light flashing. This indicates that your earbuds are now in pairing mode. Initiate the pairing process on your Android device by opening Settings. Once inside Settings, simply tap on the Connected Devices option available there. Now select Bluetooth and turn it on using the toggle. After that, the earbuds will appear in the list of available devices. Now, all you have to do is click on the name of your earbuds to begin pairing. A dialog box will appear. Click on Pair. Once paired, you will see a notification confirming the connection. The LED on the earbuds case should turn solid white. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.